Hello students, today once again I am with a new poem, and today I am here for the students of Cbse board who are reading in class 9, and it is a poem from their textbook Bee-Hive, Wind. So listen and watch this video carefully so that you can get line by line analysis of the poem. Before that, we are passing through very crucial days, and the days are heavy on us, and we need to be strong in mind, determined in mind that we should overcome this phase soon. So this poem, what I am going to discuss here today, when we analyze this poem, we will find this type of mentality through this poem. And the theme of the poem here carries a message to face the hardship or challenges of life and be friended with them. Once we be friended with the challenges and hardships of life, we will soon easily overcome or get over all these challenges, and these challenges will make us stronger and better. Okay, so Wind, it is written by Subramania Bharati. Subramania Bharati or Bharti is a Tamil writer. Actually, his full name is Subramania Bharati Chinnasamy. He is a Tamil writer, and this poem is also written in Tamil language, but it has been translated by A.K. Ramanujan in English. He was a pioneer of modern Tamil poetry. Wind. So let's first of all recite the poem. So, and this Subramania Bharati was also named as Mahakavi Bharati in Tamil. So let's first recite the poem. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters and windows. Don't break the shutters, windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. Threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun of weaklings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lines, crumbling hearts. The wind, God, winnows and crushes them all. He would not do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Make the heart steadfast. Do this and the friends with us. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. So it is a very beautiful poem. 23 lines are there, and each stanza gives you separate message or separate analysis. So wind is a natural phenomenon, and sometimes When we say about wind, we say a strong blow of air. Only air and wind, though it means the same, but here is a little bit different. When you say about wind, we means a strong blow of air. So when we say strong blow of air, it means it is violent, it is destructive. It will sweep away everything. It will scatter the light items. It will fall down the weightless things or prickle things. So the poet here invokes the wind, says to the wind that what are you going to do? You have done all the things on this earth, and you generally do. You break down the light items, light things, paper, board, leaves. You break the things that are weak. You do many things. So you are very destructive. You are violent. When you blows, you are ferocious. And what you do? You damage the weak, those who are weak in character. Frail items, those who are easily be broken. So in the first stanza, wind comes softly. So the poet requests the wind to come softly. Don't break the shutters, windows. Not to break the shutters and windows. Not to scatter the papers. Not to throw the books on the shelf. So these four lines, the poet requests the wind, says to the wind not to do these things. I know you are violent, you are destructive, always do damages whenever you comes or you blows. But now I request you to come softly or to blow softly so that these things cannot be happen. Don't throw the papers away. Don't draw down the books from the shelf. Don't break the windows or the shutters. Or don't do any damages. Then the poet, in the fifth line, the poet says, look what you did. You, the wind has been personified. What you had done, তুমি কি করলে? What you did threw them all down. You damage everything. You scatter everything. You litter away everything. What you have done? Look, you tore the pages of the book. You tore the pages of the books. The violent or destructive character of the wind. You tore the pages of the book. You brought rain again, even it is clear. You bring the cloud and it is raining now. Though it is an inevitable truth, scientifically proved, that wind brings rain. Wind brings cloud and it happens to be rain. So you do sometimes very scientific do something inevitable. Your destruction sometime good to us. You tore the pages of the books, you brought rain again. But here the poet says that we need not require rain now, but you have brought it. You are very clever at poking fun of weaklings. Poking fun of means make fun of, or mockery at. You are making fun of weaklings. Weaklings means weak things. Whatever weak is there, you are very destructive to them. You scatter them away. You smash them away. You crush them away. You do or play with them. Whatever weak item you find. So, through the weak, you are a very destructive thing. So, here is the inherent message that those who are weak in character, in mind, physically or mentally, they easily break down whenever any adversities or challenges of life appear to them. This is the inherent message. That those who are weak, here wind symbolizes the adversities and challenges of life, the hardships of life. Whenever hardships, challenges appear and travel us, the weak easily break down, fall down, surrender. They make themselves surrender to the hardships and challenges. But those who are physically or mentally strong, they put their best effort to overcome these challenges, overcome that hardships. And these strong mentality, these willpower, make them more stronger and make better or make their life more convenient. So to the weak, this is the inherent thing. So wind here symbolized as symbolically it is the hardship and challenges of life. Now next danger. Frail crumbling houses. Frail means damage or breakdown. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. Crumbling means crumbling, C-R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G, cause something to break. Crumble, cause him to break. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. Rafter means wooden portion just under the roof. Kodi bole Banglaয়, kodi kat. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. All these things you crumble. You make them to break down or fall down. Houses, doors, rafters, wood, bodies, even physical bodies, lives of human beings, even hearts. You frighten the hearts that are weak. He frightens the back persons who are not mentally strong. Psychologically, they are already at the back. So you break them, you crumble them. How? The wind god winnows and crushes them all. Here the poet invokes the wind as a god. The wind god winnows. Winnows is a process to separate the grain from the chaff. খোসা থেকে শস্যকে আলাদা করা। The wind goes, winnows and crushes them all. The wind play with the weak things. With this destructive mentality, it plays with the weak things and crushes them, break them into pieces. Now, up to this, the poet says about the wind. Now, this line, he would not do what you tell him. This line is hinted to the reader. He would not do, he means the wind, what you tell him. Now the poet says to the reader that wind cannot do anything, cannot do what you tell him. If you tell him to do something or some like that, the wind will not listen. As usual, it is a natural calamity or natural substance. Naturally it happens, the wind naturally happens. So you cannot guide him because it is a part of nature, element of nature. What you tell him. Similarly, in our life, adversities and challenges are elements and they will appear time to time. None can say that our life will go smooth. Adversities will always appear. Challenges will appear. Hindrance will appear. Hardships will appear. And you have to fight with them with your physical strength and mental strength. If you do that, soon you will be the winner and be stronger. Whatever. He would not do what you tell him. Now, next segment, so calm. So calm. It means, here the poet says the reader. So, what we should do with the readers, with the sufferers, upon which the wind is so destructive, what we should do? So calm and let's build strong homes. So we need to avoid the wind, to face the challenges or the destructions done by the wind or the damages done by the wind. We need to build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. We need to feed the doors strongly. We need to feed the hinge of the doors in a right way. Practice to firm the body. We need to be physically strength. Physically strong. We are need to physically strong. We need physical strength to fight with the wind, to accept the challenges of the wind. Practice to firm the body. Because we may request the wind to come softly, but wind will not do that way. The wind will not do that way because it is a natural element. Almost like tsunami. When tsunami, if you pray to tsunami, please don't come, you are very destructive, tsunami will listen to you? No, it's natural power. It will come. So what will you do against him? We need to build strong homes. We need to do strong doors. farm doors, we need to develop mental strength, physical strength to avoid that challenge. Make the heart steadfast. Steadfast means firm, determined. We need to be determined so that determination will work, because willpower is the best or utmost power, even from the physical strength. If you have the will, there is a way. Practice to firm the body, make the heart steadfast. We need to be physically strong, mentally strong. Because first of all, when we have the strong mentality, then we have the ability to do the fight, to accept the challenge. At the very first sight, if we say that we cannot do, it is very hard to us, we cannot ever fight with that item. So first of all, enrich your energy, nurture your energy, your core energy, your mental energy, power, strength. Do this and the friends with us. Do this and the friends with us. If you do this, they will be friended. Be friended. Who will be befriended? That challenges, that hardships. Because once you overcome the challenges, you may say that these challenges I have faced once. Oh, no doubt. And these days, coronavirus is outside and we are staying at home. Almost we have crossed 1 month. If in future this type of thing will happen again, then we will say this type of thing generally already we have faced, and we stay at home, and after 2 or 3 months it becomes as usual. So this mental power, strength, we need to store, we need to nurture, and we will gradually adopted with these challenges and hardships. First of all, we think, oh, what will you do at home? But now we are almost accustomed staying at home. Do this and the friends with us. Next, the wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires flourish. Here is the metaphor. Where is weak fire? The wind blows it out. But where is strong fires? It means where we find bonfire, it will enlarge. It will enlarge and takes another form. So to the strong fire, it means to the person who are made of strong mentality, the wind is valueless. And to the person who are weak, to them wind is very destructive, very violent, very hard. The wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires flourish. Flourish means to grow. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. So we need to be friend with the wind. It means with the adversities or challenges, we need to, his friendship, wind's friendship. Winds means what does it symbolize? It symbolizes the hardship, the challenges of life. So if we adopt with these challenges or hardships, travel of life, if we be friend with them, our life will be convenient or smooth. Then we praise him. Then we will not fear those hardships, those challenges. Rather, we praise him. Oh, whatever. We welcome them. Oh, come, let's see. Again we defeat them. So very beautiful poem. Here wind has been symbolized with the hardships. So go to the poem, 23 lines are there. Surface level wind, the poet welcomes the wind, but symbolically it has an inherent meaning. Okay, hope you have understand the poem. Be well, stay well. Good.